Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the C2c Smartcard model and firmware because compatibility prevents later errors. Insert the card into a powered reader and open the management app. Once done, authenticate with your PIN so the app can provision keys. Make sure to accept any driver prompts and allow permissions. This enables secure channel setup. If the app asks for device pairing, pair now to bind this reader to the card for future authentications and to avoid reinitializing. Once the card is initialized, generate or import cryptographic keys inside the secure element so private keys never leave the card. You should create distinct profiles for functions like payment, authentication, and secure storage to isolate risks. Configure PIN and PUK rules now with clear retry limits and lockout behavior so you control access. Make sure to write the profiles to card storage and verify, each with a test transaction or authentication to confirm the card, enforces the intended policies. To finish, run end-to-end tests. Authenticate with the card, perform a sample read/write, and simulate a payment or access check so you validate real-world behavior. Export public certificates and record serials for inventory and recovery. Once done, lock configuration to prevent accidental changes. If something fails, review reader and app logs, confirm firmware matches card requirements, and if PIN is locked, use the PUK workflow. This targeted troubleshooting resolves most issues without reprovisioning the card.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.